Hello again, my name is Amir, and in this video we're going to solve one more puzzle from the Codewars website, and this would be this one. Okay, it says that the RGB function is incomplete. It's so that passing RGB decimal values will result in a hexadecimal representation being returned. Valid decimal values for RGB are between 0 and 25, and any values that fall out of the range must be rounded to the closest valid value. Your answer should always be 6 characters long, so we don't need to provide the hash here. And the shorthanded with 3 will not work here. The examples of the code are like this. Let's train and get this. It's RGB and RG and V. Okay, so I would call the function RGB, and it will receive R and G and B, and it will return something. And here I would say that give me the RGB of like 100, 205. Okay. So I need to do one specific thing for all of these and then return the value. So I would convert R to hex and then G to hex and then B to hex. So for that I would need an other function that I will call it to hex, which will get one value, for example R or G or B. I would call it A. And the thing that this function does is that it gets that number and convert the number to the string and return it. So if I do this and here say that, for example, to hex of 100, it would give me 64, which is correct, but it adds 1 0 here. This 1 0 is for the numbers below 16. So for example, if I give it like 12, it could give me 0 and then C. But for numbers bigger than 15, like 16, I need to remove this 0. So I would get this, then I would slice it by -2 to give me the 2 last digits, and as you can see this is working fine here. So if I give it like 162, it's fine, and I give it like 1, it's also fine. Okay, and in the end I think I need to convert it to uppercase. Yes, so this would convert to uppercase. Let's go. So this is to hex. Now the only thing I need to do is pass all of these values to this function and then join them together. So I would say that here I can say that just return to hex of A plus and this is R, this is G, and this is P. So if we say that now give us the RGB of 1 and 1 and 1, it would do it correct. If I give it like 255, it's correct, 254 is correct, and if we go like to 200, 121, and let's say 0 here, still working fine. Let's make this one 0 as well, and this one 0 as well, which is working fine. Right, so I think this is correct. Let's go and test. So if we go here, we attempt. Alright, so for numbers that are greater than like 255, we need to round it down. So here, if I give it like, what was the number? 277. So 277 should give us FF. Right. I can say that here, if A is greater than 255, otherwise A. And here it would give us the FF. So for this test case, we would get this, which is correct. Right, so let's copy this part to here, and then we would consider the next one. Yeah, sorry, for minus values we need to return 0, 0. So let's go back here, we get minus 1. So here I can say one more thing. So if A is less than 0, then return 2 zeros, otherwise do the calculation. And this is now working fine for the 2 hex. I would go back, paste it here, and attempt again. So we need to have no more errors, as you can see here, and then we can submit. Lovely. And now we are in level 5, as you can see here. Great. In the next video, we will continue our journey towards level 4 and up. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.